Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Usually, I make separate videos for Euro USD, GBP USD and all the pairs so that I can explain better. But in this video, I will not be going for detailed explanation because of the ongoing situation in the market. As I always say, my dear friends, that it is very important to know when to trade in the market, but it is more important to know when not to trade in the market, because the market is on fire right now. Okay, the market is very unstable, so as a result you must be very careful. And on top of that, we have CPI. This CPI will be very critical because the Silicon Valley Bank has crashed and Fed has intervened right now. So the next monetary policy will be very dependent on the crash of the bank right now. So as a result, please be careful, extra careful today. As you can see that we have the economy calendar in front of us and CPI is coming up. So this will bring some crazy volatility to the market, and before that we also have some news on GBP. So as a result, it's better to be just an audience and observe the market and gain some experience. If you look at the chart of DXY, then yes, DXY is under pressure, and yes, as I mentioned yesterday, that DXY has crossed the previous support. So overall the sentiment of on DXY is not very positive right now. DXY is under pressure. Okay, my dear friends, always keep in mind that whenever a news drives a market or whenever fundamentals drives a market, you should not be looking for tops and bottoms. Whenever there's a battle between fundamentals and technicals, fundamentals always win the battle. So for example, gold is flying right now. Okay, so if you are thinking that okay, gold will be reversing from resistance because we have resistance on the chart, then it is wrong, because technicals do not have the strength to change the direction of the market. So always trade, okay, according to the fundamentals, and use technicals for entry exit analysis purpose. So you cannot survive simply on the basis of technicals as well as fundamentals. You need to mix both of them together. So this is DXY in front of us, and DXY, okay, right now standing at 103.86. So in case something bad happens on DXY and the news is bad for DXY, then obviously we will see a big drop. And right now on the chart of DXY, the only support on is around 102.60 to 102.50. This is the only support on the chart of DXY. If market starts falling, this is the only support. If DXY takes support, it will be well and good. If DXY breaks this support here, then things will be very critical for DXY. Okay. Now let's have a look at the chart of Euro USD. Then on the chart of Euro USD also you can see that we do not have a clarity. In fact, yesterday also I told you guys that things are not very positive right now. So as a result, okay, you should mostly be looking or using the lower time frame, because the higher time frames are not giving us any clear-cut signals. But on lower time frames we are getting opportunities, okay, for quick buy and exit. Not quick entry and exit. Okay, so if you're swing trader, if you're positional trader, then this is not the ideal market for you. You should wait for at least 1 or 2 days so that market settles and you get a proper direction. This market is mostly for day traders who believe in quick entry and exit. So on the chart of Euro USD right now, okay, as we can see that it is approaching the Fibonacci 0.236% here. So if you want to take a buy position, you can go for a buy position. But if you are in a position that you cannot afford to lose any money, then this level is not the right level for you. You should wait for the market to come to 1.0660, the support around this level here. This level is a good support, and not only because 0.0660 is a Fibonacci 0.382, but also we have 0.650, which is a round number, and this is also a psychological support. So 0.6660, 0.01.0660 to 1.0650 is a support on the chart of Euro USD right now, only for day traders, that too before CPI. Keep in mind, if market starts falling after CPI, this level will not work, because see, every level has got some potential, every level has a strength. Okay, so this market has the strength to bounce the market before CPI, but when the news will dominate the market, this level will not stand any chance. Okay, so be careful and take your decisions accordingly. So this is the only level that I see on the chart of Euro USD right now that you can trust. If you want to go ahead and want to buy on this particular level of Fibonacci here, then that's your personal choice. I will not comment on that. But again, I'll say that if you're a trader, then capital protection should be your first priority always, and you should also know when not to trade in the market. Okay, as I always say, do not be a gambler, be a trader, because gambling will not lead you to your destination. Okay, and if you look at the chart of GBP USD, then GBP USD is also telling us almost the same story here. Okay, I'm just avoiding the higher time frame, and on the lower time frame we can see that we have some support. Okay, we have some support around around 1.2106 or 1.2100. Okay, let's consider it as a round figure. 1.2100, we have a support 1.2100, that too before CPI, because in case after CPI DXY shows recovery and pound starts falling, okay, then this is not the level you should be watching. And one more thing, okay, we also have news coming up on GBP. You can see after 3 hours we have a news coming up, so be careful. Okay, again, I'll request everyone that try to avoid the market, at least for today. Okay, and my dear friends, as you already know, that only 2 days left, only 2 days left for the world's most affordable forex trading workshop that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. This workshop is mostly for those people who have been struggling with the market and who are unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. So if you really like my work, then you can consider joining the 3 days workshop. And the best part is that you'll also receive support for 1 month. The link is in the description. You'll find all the details. I also have prepared a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market, because my journey was very, very tough. Join the Pro Trader program, because the workshop is just a part of the Pro Trader program. Okay, so you can see here, these are the benefits that you will be receiving after the workshop: regular market analysis, etc., etc., many things. Okay, you just go through the website. And the best part is the fees. You can see the fees is only $15 for 3 days workshop. Okay, and also 1 month support. The dates are 16th, 17th and 18th of March 2014, and the timing is mentioned here. If you are worried about the timing, then okay, then no need to worry, because I record each and every session so that you can also watch after the classes. Bye bye, take care.